Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and today I'm going to make a quick video on how to make a dry well drum that will receive a lot of extra rainwater. If you have, let's say, a spot in your yard or backyard that when it rains heavily, the rain just settles there and it stays there for a while, well, you can install a dry well drum like this one, which is a PVC drum that I picked up at my local farmer who sells them for like 20 bucks. This is a 55-gallon one, and you know they have the 15-gallon, 30-gallon, but 55-gallon I figured will do the trick. And old school way of making a dry well is just digging a hole, filling it up with some crushed concrete, like in a pyramid effect, and then putting a cap on top. Well, this one isn't going to incorporate a drain or a drain grate, like this one, which I picked up from Lowe's for like almost $9. You can also get them at Home Depot between $7 and $9, and that's what you're going to use. And once that's installed on the drum, it will be sitting flush with your with the grate of the grass or dirt that you have in the section that is collecting too much water. So not to get too far ahead, what you're going to need for this project is 1/2-inch spade bit like this one. Like I said, the grate. This one is 8x8 square, and it's like a 6-inch round. Here's the other side of it. Okay. A drill for the spade bit. Jigsaw for making this big hole here, which all I did was take the grate, set it down on here, traced it with my Sharpie here, and then took the jigsaw and cut the hole for the grate, which fits perfect. And as you can see, it only sits about, in my estimation, about 1 inch from the top of the drum, which is perfect. And once you put this in the hole, and also once you dig the hole for the drum, you're going to use some landscape fabric, which I picked up also at my home improvement store for like $7. Actually, I have a roll of it here, and let's see if I can get it without. Alright, so here it is right there, and you can see it's the that's the store number, I guess, at the very top, or the product number. This one's called Stud Green Premium, 15-year warranty, weed barrier, but it's the same thing as what they call landscape fabric. And this is 3 feet by 50 feet. So for my project, I'm only going to be digging a hole that's no bigger than like 4 inches, the circumference of the drum, and placing the fabric down on the bottom. Like I said, cut a strip and make sure that it goes down to the bottom, comes over the side, overlaps a little bit, and I might take like maybe 2 or 3 pieces, seeing as how it's only 3 feet wide. And then take the drum, set the drum on top of it, and then take some crushed gravel. I'm picking up 3/4 inch gravel that you can get in bulk, also from the home improvement store, and they will deliver it to the location needed. And take the gravel and set it between the drum, outside of the drum, and the fabric. And then you'll close everything back up again, and then fill in behind the fabric with dirt. And then at the top, you can do the same thing. Just lay the fabric over, and even take this and squish it down to the fabric, and the fabric will be poked on the inside, and it helps to hold everything together. And make sure that, like I said, the dirt is flush with the top of, with the edge of this right here. The holes on the side of the drums are 1/2-inch holes, and you can see I staggered them. And how I did that, Okay, so how I made the 1/2 inch holes, all I did was make myself a template that, you know, measured 4 inches. As you can see, that's the black mark there. And what I would do is take the, you know, from, let's say from this hole right here, I'd put the mark on the hole, and then wherever the edge of, you know, the stick ended, which was about right there, is about 4 inches. And I just use that, like I said, to mark it and stagger the holes. As you can see, like from this one to that one is like 8 inches, but it's 4 inches from here, from the center to here is like 4 inches. And I just went all the way around the drum, and that's going to be where the water, once it goes inside the drum, it's going to rise up, then it's going to leach out through the gravel, through the fabric mesh, into the ground. And that should give it enough time for that area not to flood. And there you have it, how to make a drywall drum for an area that floods after a heavy rainstorm. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And when I do the actual project, I'll be taking pictures to show the end result. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.